Hey, meteorologist Houston Hall. We are having a blizzard tomorrow. But right now, 24 hours before, doesn't look like it. So, where's the storm? It's here. Blizzard conditions are happening right now. The storm is here. Look at that. It's a paradise on out here. Is it Christmas or is it March? Meteorologist Houston Hall here. Yep, we are in a blizzard right now. This has been going on for the past 5 hours, and just take a look at these conditions we're having. 55 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts, lots of blowing snow, and yep, there it is. Blowing snow all over it.